call. Hello everybody, thank you for pushing on that button, spending some time with me today. We just got something in the mail that I want to show you. Let's give it an open. Something else from the Worx. We had such a good response from the Worx Hydro Shot videos that I figured I would invest in their cordless lawnmower. Let's put it together. Grass catcher. Looks like some wires and some attachments. Those look like the keys that everyone talks about in the comments that break all the time. It looks like they learned to package them better. It's very well packaged. Struts for the handles, maybe. Okay. Everything's out of the box. Got an instruction manual for the charger. That's a 2-battery charger. Dual port battery charger. And there's the instruction manual for the mower. I'm going to sit down and read this for a little while before I start putting anything together. We'll be right back. Thank you again for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscription button in the corner, ring the bell next to it so I can notify you of future videos. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this content, and share this with your friends if you're interested. Thanks again. this is the key that they were talking about. Yes, it does look like it's very easy to break. Okay. It's the grass collector. The grass collector and its handle. Let's see which way this goes. Goes this way. Good. It's basically one. Okay. That's the click we wanted to hear. Guess they couldn't get a machine to do this. Okay. Looks like the catcher is ready. Okay. And then we put on the catcher. So I guess that was the mulching. You gotta save this for mulching. That's what it looks like. And we're ready to put in the grass catcher. Open the door. Let's see. Pretty much self-explanatory. Oh, this is an important step. These are the two 20 volt 4 amp batteries that it comes with. These should also work on the Hydra Shot. I really hope they do, because these will really help me. Of course, we got two of them because it's a 40 volt max, just like the Hydra Shot, and a dual battery charger. It's the same one that I already have. 1 and 2. Just like the other charger, green lights will flash while it's charging. When it comes to a full charge, it'll be a solid green light. If the battery is bad, it will flash a red. We don't want to see that. Okay, so while this charges, I will clean up my cardboard and my plastic, and we'll be right back. Thanks again for stopping by and spending some time with me as I put together our Worx cordless lawnmower. Pretty cool stuff. Well, I put the lawnmower together. The batteries are charging right now. I have the batteries from the Hydra Shot in here right now. This is the 2 amp 20 volt battery. 2 of these runs the 40 watt max Hydra Shot. This one takes 4 amps, but it also works on these smaller ones pretty well. So I'm going to do a rough cut. I have it on the highest setting, a second from the highest setting, and take down the lawn a little bit in one shot, and then I'll use the new batteries to do the finish cut. Let's see how it works. The trick to getting this to work is you got to push the key over. The key looks like this. Goes into the slot, and then it pushes over. That makes it able to work. Then you push down on this bar. Start up. Let go. It stops pretty fast. It's got a indicator when the bag is full and it's flapping up. It's ready to go. And so it is.
Sounds really cool. Sounds like we're
So I'm using the batteries from the Hydro Shot right now. They're only about half size. But I still have on the indicator, it's telling me I got 4 bars of power. No, I ain't complaining. It's doing good so far. Goes on real nice and easy. Again, key down. Safety. It is quiet. I'm pulling forward. Call that a rough cut for now. I'll let those batteries finish charging and then we'll set it on a lower setting and do it again. I only used 1 bar of power out of these little batteries to do the whole backyard. That's only 1/3 of the half-size battery, so these batteries are going to go pretty good. It did a nice job. I mean, I'm not going for perfect here. I'm going to do a lower cut as soon as I get the other batteries up, but it did a nice job. All right. We'll be back when the batteries are fully charged and we'll give it another go. Okay, the batteries are fully charged. So I'm going to take out the 2 amp batteries that belong to my Hydro Shot, which are down to 1 bar. They're pretty much gone. I did a quick mow of the backyard on the high setting with them. They handled it pretty well. Now this battery is twice the thickness of the other one. This one is 2 amps, this one is 4. Much bigger battery. 1, 2. Now another thing that I learned, this button here switches between the turbo setting and then the eco mode. The eco mode will slow down the mower when you're over lower grass that doesn't need so much power, and then when you hit some more powerful spots it will switch over to turbo. Now you can put it on turbo and leave it there, but you will run through battery power a lot faster. So we're going to keep it on eco. This lever right here adjusts all 4 wheels at one time, so we're going to bring it down from our high setting down to, I would say, 3 from the bottom. Right, 1, 2, 3. That's all the way down. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to give this another cut. Before we did a cut all the way up here. Now we're going to do one right here. Okay. Let's get this job done. Okay, well, now obviously it's not going to do a giant yard, but for a small backyard like this, it's absolutely perfect. I still haven't even used one bar off the batteries to do more the whole backyard, so I should have plenty to do the whole house in one charge. That's it today. Another great product from the Worx. The 40 volt max cordless lawnmower. Big thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Okay, I just took the 20 volt 4 amp batteries off the lawnmower. They're very warm. When I put them on the charger, the red lights are flashing. That's telling me that I'm above temperature to charge, so I have to take these off and let them cool down a while before I charge them. Just a little something I learned by reading the instructions. All in all, the lawnmower works very well. A very efficient use of energy. It's very lightweight, easy on the muscles. It's sharp as it can be. It makes a really nice cut. I'm very happy with it so far. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today while I test the new cordless lawnmower from the Worx. It's another in the line of 40 volt max rechargeable batteries, lithium batteries that really do a great job. They're changing the whole world. No more gasoline for me. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscription button and ring the bell so I can notify you of future videos. If you enjoy this content, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you.